Today's recipe is Dal Makhani. Dal is lentil and makhni is butter. So for the recipe we need half cup of soaked kidney beans. These kidney beans I soaked them last night, so it's been soaked overnight. We need black gram lentils, also known as Urad Dal. I have washed this. You need 1 cup of Urad Dal, 1 big onion, 1 medium-sized tomatoes, half teaspoon of green chilli paste. If you don't have green chilli paste, you can use 2 to 3 whole green chilies, half to 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of Garam Masala powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, salt as per taste, 1 tablespoon of ginger and garlic paste, and butter about 4 tablespoons. So to start off, we will first boil the lentils together. So I'll just add some water first. This is approximately 4 cups of water I've used. You can use more water if you want the lentil to be more liquidy. So just add in the kidney beans, the black urad dal, also known as gram dal, just add in. Add in the green chilies, the onion, the turmeric powder, and the salt. Stir all this well. You don't need to chop the onion fine, you can chop them big, because once the dal gets cooked till the dal will be cooked when the kidney beans become tender, as well as the black gram dal. So once this is all cooked, we will blend it. So that's why we don't really need to cut the onions small. Just stir it. Let a boil come. Once a boil comes, at that time we will cover it with a lid. The water has started boiling. Just give it a good stir. I'll cover the pot now. Cook it on low flame, and we'll cook this till the lentils get tender, soft, and till they're cooked. The lentils has been cooking for an hour. You can decrease the quantity of the lentils by half. I've used this quantity because this is good enough for my whole family. Now at this stage, when the lentils are completely boiled, I'll introduce the tomatoes. You can make a juice of it. I'll introduce all my spices. Ginger garlic paste. The cumin seeds is meant for tempering, so that will go in the end. We let this cook for another 15 minutes with the ginger garlic paste and the garam masala powder. Once it's after 15 minutes, we let this lentil dal cool down, dal makhani cool down. We'll blend it and then we'll go on to the next step. So I'll let this cook for 15 minutes. It's been 15 minutes since the lentils have been cooking. Now we'll take off the lid and turn the stove off. We'll let this cool down and blend it. The dal is being blended well. We'll start the process of tempering. So I'm heating oil in a small frying pan. I'll add my butter. And the rest, half of the butter in the tempering and half of the butter in the lentil directly. Just add. Stir it in. And add the cumin seeds. Just let the cumin seeds brown a little, not too much, otherwise they can burn. You can also add cream, fresh cream to this dal makhani, it's your choice. I'm just adding the butter, but you can always add the cream right now too. And you can always decrease the quantity of this lentil to half, do the measurements for the lentils half, and the spices keep it to the same quantity, because there's not too many spices in this recipe. Okay, now the cumin seeds are ready. We'll just temper our lentil. Stir in everything. And this is a dal makhani ready to serve. You can serve this with rice, you can have it with naans, you can have it with dinner rolls, or you can have it as it is. Dal makhani ready to serve.